Paracord is one of those items that is a must-have for all preppers. Short for parachute cord, this item is similar to a rope in terms of how you can use it, but it's very much thinner and lighter. There are tons of uses for paracord, and you're only limited by your imagination. It's important to note that because this is a very popular item, there are many cheap knockoffs being sold online. If you get the wrong one, when you're in a survival situation, the paracord may easily break and be useless. The A2S Protection Paracord is probably one of the best out there, and it comes in a bracelet style. The good thing about it is that it comes in a variety of sizes. So, even people with small wrists will be able to find a size that fits them. The paracord bracelet has several additional features. There's a compass, Flint fire starter, a fire scrapper that can be used as an emergency knife, an emergency whistle that's loud, up to 100 dB, and you also get an instruction booklet. MacGyver would have been proud to own this paracord bracelet because it's that versatile. Scanning the many positive reviews of this product on Amazon will tell you that the compass is accurate and people have managed to easily start fires with the flint, etc. So, the product works. If you're camping outdoors, you most probably will have a lighter with you. However, if your lighter runs out of fuel or gets lost, you'll be wearing a bracelet with a magnesia rod fire starter that can light a fire in most conditions. This product can be a lifesaver. If you're going to carry paracord, you might as well wear it as a bracelet instead of stuffing it in your pocket. The item comes in 4 fixed sizes and an adjustable size, so you can definitely find a fit for your wrist. The product comes in a range of colors. There's a style for everyone. While style is well and good, let's not forget that in an emergency, the bracelet can be unwrapped to give you about 10 to 12 feet of extremely strong cord that can be used for many purposes. A2S Protection has rigorously tested the paracord and states that it has a minimum breaking point of 550 pounds or 250 kilograms. This is a very strong cord. It's truly amazing how something so thin and light could be so strong. At the end of the day, just like a Swiss Army knife or a first aid kit, a paracord can only help you in an emergency if you own one. An item as versatile as this can be used as a fishing line, tourniquet, a belt, an emergency sling, to tie items down, as shoelaces, clothesline, tow line, pulley system, and much more. If you're using a solar shower, the paracord can be used to secure the bag to a tree branch, and you'll be able to have showers outdoors. Easy and very convenient. There are many websites that will give you hundreds of different uses for paracord. You just need to read them to know how useful the A2S Protection Paracord bracelet can be. Most serious preppers will get several of these bracelets because of how versatile they are. In fact, every member in your family should own one. It's highly affordable and lasts a very long time. This is one of those purchases that you'll never regret.